Hello there, Vintage Outboard motor fans. It's T-Mike. It's Christmas time again. Got another package in the mail. Pretty sure this is going to be a mail-in repair. Let's check it out. Comes from Michael in Florida. Michael in Florida. I think I know what this is. Mail-in repair service. Send me your carburetor, your gear case, or your lower unit. I'll rebuild it, test it, video it, and ship it back to you. Yeah, here's the return shipping label. Good. Here's a note. It says check and info inside. Here's the check. That's always good. And here's the info. It says, T-Mike, please rebuild my Magneto 1959 Johnson 35 horsepower and replace all the attached wires. Any questions, you can reach me. Leave his phone number and his email address. Very cool. So let's check out the Magneto. That's 35 horsepower. Same Magneto as the 3 horsepower. 3 horsepower all the way to 40. Same Magneto. Here it is. Yeah, that's the original wires, or the cloth wires. They get brittle. These are not in too bad a shape. Looks like he's got some newer coils on it, but looks like original points and condensers. But I'm going to fast forward through the rebuild. I've got tons of videos on how to do this. But I'm going to rebuild it and test it for spark here in my man cave with the lights off on my test motors and ship it back to him. Everybody's ready? Here we go. Okay, I got Michael's Magneto completely rebuilt. New coils, points, condensers, spark plug wires, kill switch wires. Got it mounted on my test motor. I'm going to turn the lights off and set the camera up and pull the rope on it and show you how it's got spark. Okay, I got you all set up here. Let me give it a couple of pulls. Let you and Michael see that she's got spark. How about that? Sparkarunio. Let's do it again. Here we go. Oh, slipped off. Try that again. Yes, sir. Good spark. All right. Got Michael's Magneto completely rebuilt and tested. New wires, every new component cleaned up, shined up like new. So, T-Mike's mail-in repair service. If you want your carburetor, your Magneto, or your gear case rebuilt, tested, videoed, and shipped back to you, just contact me. Get on my website, T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. Click on mail-in repair service and fill out the form. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. See y'all next time. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, T-Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to T-Mike's website, TMikeVintageOutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for T-Mike's Trivia Quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right, on the form also, when you get there at the bottom, It's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with T-Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to T-Mike's website, tmikesvintageoutboard.com, click on T-Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson & Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your Magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.